Take another chance, take a fall, take a shot for you. I need you like a heart needs a beat. It's nothing new. Yeah, I loved you with the fire red, and now it's turning blue. And you say sorry like the angel heaven let me think was you, but I'm afraid it's too late to apologize. It's too late. Said it's too late to apologize. It's too late. It's too late to apologize. It's too late. Said it's too late to apologize. It's too late. Said it's too late to apologize. It's too late. Said it's too late to apologize. It's too late. Holding on your rope got me 10 feet off the ground. Ooh, oh. Won't do, but I can't help it. I love the way it feels. It's got me stuck between my fantasy and what is real. I need it when I want it. I want it when I don't. Tell myself I'll stop every day, knowing that I won't. I got a problem and I even if I did, I don't know if I would quit, but I doubt it. I'm taken by the thought of it, and I know this much is true. Baby, you have become my addiction. I'm so strung out on you, I can barely move, but I like it. And it's all because of you. So then it's all because of you. And it's all because of you. So then it's all because I'll never get enough. She's the sweetest drug. Ooh, think of it every second. I can't get nothing done. Only concern is the next time I'm gonna get me some. No, I should stay away from, cause it's no good for me. I try and try, but my obsession won't let me leave.